way. One way pala. Patay, di kita makakasilid. Hindi mo ukol. One way dito, one way. Pinaagi. Ayan o, daming mga bantay. Ayun. Kadamuhin. Naka, daming tao. Mga lodi. Uy, si bata. Naka Pilipinas flag. Adoy. Waray na, di ka na makakaagi. Todas. Di na makakaagi. Uy. Tayo dito. Op, ya. Bagtas lang, bagtas. Ayun. Ayun, dami oh. Daming nakabantay. Pwede ka na mo dito makaagi. Kadamit kapulisan oh. May tangke. Pusak. Naka, daming tao. Daming utaw. OMG. Tingnan nyo naman ang daming tao. Alyansa ng Bagong Pilipinas.
Perhaps to ease the passage of federalism, to ease the passage of BPN. We talked about it today, and lots of talk is going around about that now. And we are starting to wait and pick apart the study by the consultative body of Chief Justice Puno. And we're expecting that that will begin the debate as to the actual methodology of how the changes in the Constitution will be undertaken. So it's going to be an interesting discussion, and I think there will be lots of developments in the next few years.
Kadaming tao, pwede mo ukol. Kadaming pila.
I also went to join in the Sangyao Festival.
May naman stability.
Join us and Senator Sito Villar.
Oo.
Kaya kung dumaan kami doon sa mga May Street ng Tacloban, yung Real Street. At nung tinitingnan ko yung building, ay